Morning, people, viewers, and potential viewers. Jack McKeever here. Mother Nature's helpers. Nature. What does nature really mean? You can take a look at the basics of it and say it's our trees, our flora, our fauna, our animals. But nature means so much more than that. Okay? We were originally given bodies, whether you believe in we're coming up from Cro-Magnon and so forth, or whether we're automatically human bodies, it matters not. Ancient traditions believed we were all insects at one time. And we evolved through animal kind to humankind. But the nature of the beast is how we view it. And that's nature. What is our nature? We're all spiritual entities. This has been proven over and over again. Our mind is our direct link to our spiritual entities through our heart. This is a nature. That's the nature of who we are. But it's much more than that, right? Because we're also part of Mother Nature. Mother Nature gave us the gifts that form our body. So how we treat Mother Nature is very much how we treat ourselves. And in this aspect is what I'm driving at today, because it's very important to understand nature is us. When we go out into nature, we feel like we're at home. People with mental illnesses go into nature and they feel so peaceful. Their mental illnesses don't even bother them. Children today going into school, they're bored and they're put on all kinds of medications because they're bored. Has anybody ever thought that maybe they're bored because this isn't part of who they are? This isn't their destiny anymore. Maybe they're there to teach us the lessons that nature is more important than 2 + 2 is 4. Or is it 4? What is time? Time is our biggest block in today's society. My grandfather used to sit there when people said, when would this be done? He'd say, when I'm done. I'll give you a call. Shouldn't be long. You never put a time on anything. I was always curious about that, but that's exactly true, because time is a big block in today's society. It's a big block in our brains. It's how we formulate everything. Ancient traditions never did. The sun rose, the sun set. The seasons were the seasons. No big deal. Right? Time. What is time? It's one of the biggest blocks of our true nature. But we have to realize these things. How we treat nature is how we treat ourselves. If we can honestly take a bag of garbage and throw it into nature, then that's what we think of ourselves. We're garbage. Where's the self-esteem in that? Or is it just pride and ego? And if anybody ever said anything to you about it, all they'd see is anger, not realization. So, nature. You walk into nature, you're walking into the kingdom of the unknown, but you're also walking home. Unknown because that tree has more wisdom in its branch than most of us have in our whole being. You can talk to trees. You can talk to flowers. You walk all over the grass using pesticides to kill weeds. You're killing yourself. See, nature also has an evolution. It has a progression. It has everything it needs to survive and stay alive. One bug's illness is another bug's survival. You see, everything runs together. Pardon me. Humanity only knows how to destroy. When did it start to destroy things rather than love things? There was a time where wisdom was shared all around the globe. A time where intrigue just kept on going and kept on growing. A time before wars. Wars used to be just clan against clan, you know. I have your back, you have my back. Never was major, never was. A lot of the times, a man of wisdom would walk into the middle of the field and say, "Whoa, stop it, this is crazy." And they'd stop. So, all of this destruction is another reason we're way off our true nature. We have to get back to nature. We have to get back to the trees, the sound of the wind in the leaves. We have to get back to enjoying the beauty and seeing the innocence. And we should do that profoundly, at least every week. Not this once in a blue moon. Because, you see, we're not giving time for ourselves. Humanity is driven in what our nature is, not our true nature. Because our true nature aligns with Mother Earth. This is why getting into nature is so important. Because until you do, you will not realize the truth in my statement. You must be in nature at least once a week. Take your kids into it. Have fun with it. Create life with it. It's there for you to use, not abuse. That's all I have to say today. Have a great Sunday. If you like my videos, please click the like button. Subscribe. If you know somebody else that may like them, have them subscribe. You can find me on Pinterest. You can find me on Facebook. My email address is right below. I'm going to be doing more of these videos. Probably once a week I will do a video like this. A little lengthy because they're topics that are passionate to me. Okay? And nature is by far more passionate to me than anything I can even think of. Because of the simple fact that if we destroy nature, we destroy ourselves. And it's time for everybody on a global basis to pick up their socks and realize this. Because really, in all honesty, the extinction of trees, the extinction, all of those classifications that are extinct now, and animals going extinct, humans aren't far behind. Alright? And unless we pay attention to nature, we'll be the next big mammal that goes extinct. Talk to you all later. Have a great Sunday. Bye for now.